Learn English can in Hindi.
saknā,
And everyday ability phrases. Welcome to Can. Hey, you are about to make friends with one very useful Hindi idea, ability. And yes, this tiny chapter contains enough power to make your inner language superhero wear a cape. Today's star is
saknā,
the idea of can or to be able to. You will also hear forms like
मैं सकता था,
for I could,
तुम कर सकते थे,
for you could,
वो कर सकता था,
for he could,
वो कर सकती थी,
for she could,
ये हो सकता है,
for it could be,
हम कर सकते हैं,
for we can,
तुम सब सकते हो,
for you all can, and
वे कर सकते हैं.
for they can. If that feels like a lot, relax. Even your confused brain can do this. In Hindi, that mood begins with
saknā,
your magic key. Let's make the core word stick first. Imagine you are standing in front of a locked door, but instead of a key, you just say a word dramatically. The word is
saknā,
it means can, or to be able to. Think of it as the key that unlocks action. Say it with me.
saknā,
Again.
saknā,
Picture a Bollywood hero pointing at a mountain and whispering.
saknā,
Suddenly the mountain looks nervous. Mini example. I can swim. In Hindi, the ability idea is built with
saknā,
she can help. Again, the power word hiding inside is
saknā,
memory trick.
saknā,
Sounds a little like I can a if your brain is feeling creative and slightly sleep deprived. Past powers. Now let's travel into the past, where your grammar wears sepia sunglasses and says things like, back then, I was amazing. I could is.
मैं सकता था,
Say it.
मैं सकता था,
You could is.
तुम कर सकते थे.
This is what you say when your friend had a chance and somehow still chose chaos. He could is.
वो कर सकता था.
Picture a guy staring at a jar lid for 10 minutes. Technically,
वो कर सकता था,
she could is.
वो कर सकती थी.
Picture grandma opening the same jar in 2 seconds. Of course.
वो कर सकती थी.
Maybe, mystery, mango. Time for uncertainty, the natural habitat of detectives, weather apps, and people sniffing leftovers in the fridge. It could be is.
ये हो सकता है,
Maybe it is true.
ये हो सकता है,
Maybe it is a mistake.
ये हो सकता है.
Maybe it is mango pickle from 2019. Also possible.
ये हो सकता है.
This phrase is great when you want to sound thoughtful instead of wildly guessing. Team power. Now let's stop suffering alone and bring in groups. Because grammar, like pizza, is often better shared. We can is.
हम कर सकते हैं.
This is perfect for teamwork, study sessions, and dramatic mountain climbing scenes. You all can is.
तुम सब सकते हो.
Imagine a teacher smiling at a whole class and saying,
तुम सब सकते हो.
they can is.
वे कर सकते हैं.
Useful when talking about a team, a family, or 3 suspiciously organized cats. Mini story at the Impossible Cafe. Let's put everything into one silly little scene. Listen for the Hindi phrases and enjoy the chaos. At the Impossible Cafe, the sign on the door says, only people who believe in grammar may enter. I look at my friend and say, well, with
saknā,
anything is possible. Yesterday.
मैं सकता था.
Open this door, but today it is stuck. My friend shrugs and says,
तुम कर सकते थे.
bring the oil bottle instead of the umbrella. Fair point. Then a waiter appears. We whisper,
वो कर सकता था.
help us. A second later, the manager arrives, opens the door with one finger, and we all agree.
वो कर सकती थी.
Solve anything. Inside, we stare at a mysterious dessert. Is it cake? Is it art? Is it a science experiment?
ये हो सकता है.
All 3. We sit down and say,
हम कर सकते हैं.
learn Hindi while eating this. The teacher walks by and tells the whole class.
तुम सब सकते हो.
At the next table, the top students smile calmly. Yes.
वे कर सकते हैं.
They already ordered dessert in perfect Hindi. Quick dialogue drill. Now you answer in your head, out loud, or with full movie trailer energy. No judgment, only progress. A. Can we do this? B.
हम कर सकते हैं.
A. Could she finish it? B.
वो कर सकती थी.
A. Could he understand? B.
वो कर सकता था.
A. Could you do it yesterday? B.
तुम कर सकते थे.
A. Is this the answer? B.
ये हो सकता है.
A. Can they help? B.
वे कर सकते हैं.
A. Can all of you come tomorrow? B.
तुम सब सकते हो.
Tiny quiz, big drama. Let's see what stuck. If you miss one, that is fine. Even legends need coffee. How do you say can?
saknā.
How do you say I could?
मैं सकता था.
How do you say you could?
तुम कर सकते थे.
How do you say he could?
वो कर सकता था.
How do you say she could?
वो कर सकती थी.
How do you say it could be?
ये हो सकता है.
How do you say we can?
हम कर सकते हैं.
How do you say you all can?
तुम सब सकते हो.
How do you say they can?
वे कर सकते हैं.
Wrap up and go use it. Nice work. You just learned a whole cluster of useful Hindi ability phrases, and your brain deserves a polite round of applause. Maybe also a snack. Today you practiced.
saknā. मैं सकता था. तुम कर सकते थे. वो कर सकता था. वो कर सकती थी. ये हो सकता है. हम कर सकते हैं. तुम सब सकते हो.
And.
वे कर सकते हैं.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases out loud, and use them in tiny daily sentences. You can do this. In fact, by now.
हम कर सकते हैं.